Everyone, I'm Mark Mayo Rosario for section HM501A. So in this video, I discuss the ROP and EOQ. This is the scenario of ROP. So if the example of expected daily usage is 200 bottles of water and anticipated delivery is 4 to 10 days, when will the company place the order of reorder point? So this is the formula. ROP is equal to usage times lead time plus safety stock. Then ROP is 200 bottles of water times 4 to 10 days plus ROP is equals to 200 bottles of water times 4 to 10 days is mali. 200 bottles of water anticipated to 4 to 10 days. 100 bottles of water times 4 to 10 days is which is anticipated days plus 200 bottles of water. So ROP is 200 times per days is equals to 100 plus 200 times 6. Why nga 200 times 6 kay so this ROP is equal to 200 times 4 days, so equals is 800. So plus 200 times 6 kay more sa nga estimated nga maabot ang delivery day. So which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 days. So times na 200 times 6 is equals to 1,200. So which is nga di ada na siya. So equals na is 2,000 bottles of water tanan. So therefore, the company shall make the order when level 2 inventory at it is at 2,000 bottles of water. Let's forward the EOQ. So EOQ, this is the examples. Number of jars of honey required annually is 10,000. Cost of placing an order is 10 HP and annual carrying cost per year of jar inventory is 0.80. So this is the formula of EOQ. Then EOQ is the formula of EOQ. So square root of 2 times O times N is ng divided by C. So EOQ is 2 times the square root of 2 times 10 times 10,000 is divided by 0.80, so it's equal to 250,000. Then square root ng 250,000 to final answer of EOQ is 500 jars of honey. So numbers of order per year info, so this is a formula, and divided by EOQ, so 10,000, so divided by 500 is one total of orders 20 orders. So total order cost per year is this is TOC. TOC is equals to NO times OC. So kaning TOC is kaning 20 order kay mo na siya gikuha siya dire. Then i-times na to 10 HP for 10 peso. So 20 order times 10 is equals to 200. 2 OC HP 200 peso. So average inventory, which is I. So this is the formula. EOQ is divided by 2. So 500 jars of honey is divided by 2. So tana mo asa ning 2 kay constant ini siya. So 500 divided by 2 is equals to 250 jars of honey. So total carrying cost per year. So TCC is equal to average inventory times CC. TCC is equals to 250 jars of honey times 0.80. So it's equals to TCC is 200 peso. So total cost TC is equals to TOC plus TCC. This is the one ng formula. Then TC is equals to 200 peso plus 200 is total tanan is 400 peso sa TC. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something to this video.